Hello guys, welcome to all of you in Coding Era. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press bell icon so that you can get notification of my all new videos. So this is question number 11 of my question answer series of SQL Server for Fresher. And question is, write a SQL query to remove duplicate records from table. How to delete duplicate record from table? Suppose you have a table, and in that table you have so many records, okay, and some of records are duplicate, and requirement is to delete duplicate record from table. Then how you will delete duplicate record from table? Okay guys, so this is table, and table name is order, and we are having columns order ID, order number, purchase amount, purchase order date, customer ID, and salesman ID. Okay, and in order number column we are having columns which is duplicate in red color. So in this table, when you will see, you can see total duplicate records are 2. Okay, so 70001 and 70004 are more than one times. So guys, before deleting, first of all I will select duplicate record from SQL Server, and this is good practice to delete record from production server. First select and check, cross verify records. Okay, so this is the query to select duplicate record from order table, and query is select asterisk from orders A. A is alias of order table, where order ID not equal to select max order ID from orders, and here alias is B, where B dot order number is equal to A dot order number. Okay guys, so let's open SQL Server and execute this query. Okay, so this is SQL Server, and I am selecting all record of table order. So you can see here total records are 7. Okay, and you can see duplicate records already in order number column. So first of all we will select duplicate record from table, and this is query select asterisk from order, where order ID not equal to select max order ID from order B, where B dot order ID is equal to orders dot order ID. Here order is outer table, this. Okay, so select this query and execute. Now you can see here duplicate records. There are 3 records which is duplicate in orders table, and let's execute both query together. Okay, so when you will see carefully, then you will see 70001 is 3 times in orders table, and 70004 is at 2 times. Okay guys, so this is second query is giving duplicate records. Okay, so for delete this record I will write query delete from orders, where order ID not equal to select max order ID from orders B, where B dot order number is equal to orders dot order number. So I am writing here max. If you want to leave last record, last duplicate record, then write max, and if you want to leave min first duplicate record, then you can write here min. Okay, so I am writing here max. Now I will execute this query, then 3 rows has been deleted. Okay, now when I will execute second query, then there will be no any records in this list because duplicate records has been deleted. Okay, so now I will execute first query, and you can see here now unique records on the basis of order number in this table. Okay guys, so this was the method to delete duplicate records from SQL Server. Okay, thank you guys. Please share and like and leave your comment if you have any query. Okay, thank you.